If you don't have or lost the SIM eject tool, but you want to eject the SIM tray on Poco A7 Pro, then what you can do is you can use a couple of different alternatives. And ideally, you want to find something that is thin, straight, and sturdy so that it fits into this hole that we have here on the left side, right next to the SIM tray. So it's thin enough so it fits in here, straight enough so of course you can just use it when you insert it, because you can actually put it quite deep in here, and sturdy because you don't want it to break when you apply gentle pressure, because this is what we need to do in order to pop out the SIM tray. So what is the best alternative? The best solution is going to be a paper clip. So you can unfold a small paper clip so one end is straight, and then you can insert it gently into this SIM eject hole and then press until the SIM tray pops out. You can also use an earring pose. So you can use like a plain metal stud earring that is not a hook, or it doesn't have like a decorative end, of course. And then you can make sure it is clean and straight, and then you can insert it and press gently to eject the SIM tray. A sewing needle or pin might work as well because it is thin, so you can hold it steady and press straight in. You want to avoid using angles. You want to avoid angled pressure, of course, because you risk of breaking the tool that you use. And also you might want to use a mechanical pencil tip without lead. So it works only with in some cases, because sometimes the eject hole is a little bit too big or too deep, so it depends. But you can give it a try. If you have a mechanical pencil tip, then of course you can give it a try. However, you want to be very careful because plastic tips can break, so remember about that. You don't want to use toothpicks or wooden sticks because they can easily break off. Safety pins with rounded ends are not going to work as well. Any screws or nails or similar things, they will be a bad choice as well. And also anything thick or blunt, it's not going to work too. So ideally, if you have your tool that you can use to put it into this SIM tray, then you should be able to put it into this hole, of course, as I mentioned, and then just push it in with a little bit of pressure to make the SIM tray pop out. And then of course you should be able to just remove it with your fingernails or fingers, the whole SIM tray from the phone. There we go. And you can insert your SIM card or SIM cards as well as the memory card, and you can just put it back into the phone, just slide it in, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.